Hello, my name is Eckart Stockfleet. I'm the president of the European Skin Cancer Foundation, which is located in Germany. The reason why we create this Skin Cancer Foundation is that we see since years and decades an increasing number on skin cancer. Just for Germany, we see an increase of 5 to 7% each year, and this will last at least for the next 20 years. So the aim of the European Skin Cancer Foundation is to run education programs to prevent skin cancer and develop new treatment alternatives. The European Skin Cancer Foundation is working together with Eau Thermale Avennes since almost 1 decade. The reason for this partnership is to develop prevention programs, especially in kindergarten, so-called SunPath project, where we are going into the kindergarten to educate the kids there, but also the people who are working there, the parents, the grandparents as well, how to behave in the sun and how to prevent skin cancer in the future. We are running this program in Germany and in all other European countries as well. The reason why the European Skin Cancer Foundation chose Eau Thermale Avennes as a partner for this project is that Eau Thermale Avennes has a high experience in producing sunscreens with special filters. So we developed together one of the most important sunscreen, which is called Sunsimate, with a very high protection in UVB and UVA as well. But we are working also on new products with new filters. And Eau Thermale Avennes was able to produce an absolutely new filter, which filters not only in UVA and UVB, it filters also in blue light as well as a little bit in red light. And this is something really new for the community. This filter is named Triasorb. And we believe from the European Skin Cancer Foundation that this is the future for sun protection, especially because we protect now our people also in very important new wavelengths.